pdfrani.com. Is it real or fake? To know that, make sure to watch this video till the end. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about PDF Rani, a blog with a focus on money, finance, technology, and education. Despite the name, it has no connection to the PDF file format. It's essentially a website sharing various tips and tricks on topics like earning money, accessing technology-related hacks, and more. At first glance, you'll notice a variety of posts claiming to offer solutions like get Wi-Fi passwords, scan WhatsApp call details, or check someone's location. Some posts even promise ways to gain Instagram followers, track WhatsApp activity, or access trading tips. While the blog itself might not be a scam, the content and links on it raise several red flags. Some links on the site might appear harmless, but topics like get free recharge, find a boyfriend or girlfriend nearby, or cash money tricks should make you skeptical. These often lead to potentially harmful or misleading websites. Even reputable platforms like Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter can sometimes have links to shady content. As a rule of thumb, if something promises quick money, access to private data, or other too good to be true offers, proceed with extreme caution. Hyperlinks on this type of blog can redirect to phishing sites or downloads that may harm your device or steal your data. The site's About Us section describes the creator as someone with years of experience in education and earning money, and claims they are also an engineer. While this could be legitimate, it's also easy to fabricate. Statements like these are just words on a screen and don't guarantee credibility. Browsing PDF Rani might not be risky by itself, but engaging with the content, especially clicking on the hyperlinks or downloading anything, can expose you to serious risks. When you see posts about hacking, unlocking passwords, or other suspicious activities, it's better to avoid interacting altogether. Always question offers that sound too good to be true. Be cautious about downloading files or entering personal information. Trust your instincts. If it feels off, it probably is. Stay safe while browsing, and if you've come across similar websites, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.